Start ko 'to.
Ay, mayroon na akong dito.
Pangit ang avatar niya. Common.
Wow, wow. Di pa nga ako nag-aayos ng character eh.
Naka-video pre, naka-video.
Naka-video call.
Baka may masabi ako hindi karapat-dapat eh.
Ayos lang.
Okay lang yan, di ka pa sikat eh.
What?
Kapag sikat ka na, doon ka lang dapat mag-ano.
Or
Di mo pala man
Uy,
kailangan.
what the hell?
Fuck, ano yan?
Ew, yuck. Ew,
What the
yuck,
fuck?
her. Ew, what is this?
Tama yung character ko, Dor.
Salve in orbit.
LGBT? Ba't LGBT ka, pre?
Nababawasan ako eh.
Ay, gagi. Oh. Kilala kita.
Ay, legit ba?
Wait, huwag ka magulo. Dihil ko si Carl, huwag ka magulo. Ay, gago na, hihil ko sarili ko.
Solid.
Hold kasi neto eh.
Aray ko. Oo nga, no, nababawasan.
Ew.
Bitch. Uy, go. Hold mo. Pati pag sito kita mabawasan ka ba?
Terry, how often do we have to feed these?
Ay, nababawasan ako.
Oh, jeez.
Memo?
He's hideous.
Oo nga.
Oh, I keep forgetting all you humans have 2 eyes.
Ah, siya yung spokesman.
Gross.
Look, tayo pa yung kadiri. Gago to.
Welcome aboard the Speaker, my personal capital ship. You've survived quite the adventure.
Tayo pa yung naging
But
kadiri.
check out
Bulbul.
these cute nurses. Totally worth it, am I right?
Anong ano to?
Steve
Difficulty?
wanted me to check something with you.
Wait,
He said
tara.
it was super duper.
Ay, ito yung
urgent.
pinakamahirap?
So dramatic.
Ay ba? Tingnan natin.
When you teleported off the planet and I told you to set a timed fuse to destroy the teleporter before you left, you did set a timed fuse to destroy the teleporter, right? What do you mean I didn't tell you that? You must be suffering from memory loss because I definitely. Uh-oh. Hey, Steve? You know that really unlikely hypothetical scenario we talked about? You know, where you said if they left the teleporter on down there that the Crumarians could possibly wander on board and start spreading chaos throughout the entire ship? Steve?
Saan na to?
Attention. Red alert. All security teams report to your stations. Red alert.
Shit, nakapasok yung mga aliens.
Let's get to the bridge. You've got a gun, right? Right. I'll stick with you. Sorta.
Nakapasok yung mga
Pasukin
shit.
mo na kami.
Palabasin ka mo niya. Ayan na.
Padaanin na. Let us pass. We will kill those bitches.
What the fuck is that?
Hey,
Is
over
that
here.
what you call?
See this map?
Kaya may map nila baril.
Look at it. Don't look at me.
Tignan mo ito.
We're
Ah,
on
madami
this
pa
end
rin.
of the ship, and we need to get way
Uy,
over
pengi.
to that end of the ship. I'll be right with you the whole time.
Pag hindi mo lang kayo agad kinuha niyo, patay gutom. Puro handgun na.
Talunan nyo. Gusto ko dyan.
Ay, ko.
Ay, gagad. Baril ko.
Tulak nyo.
Ah. They do paka-punch, bro.
Ay, gago. Ang dami.
Kagi, huwag ka masyado magpapauna.
May heal kayo?
Dito sa dulo.
Wala pa ako nakita.
Dito sa dulo.
Wala mo, grabe yung ano nila, range.
Hindi na.
Veteran pala. Gagi, mahirap pag matrap sa isang lugar.
Okay, hang out here and I'll jump into the room and find a button for the door.
Kaya dinudumog tayo.
May isang tripod dito na ito to.
Binabawasan ko na nga kaagad eh.
Tama. Bali wala yung bawas.
Gago, patay na ako, pre. Literal.
Wala pa.
12 na lang buhay.
Pre.
Ito ka sa labas.
Oh. Gago, may kalaban sa likod. Ay, may nabaril sa likod.
The door has been opened. You're welcome. Now let's move.
Ano, may balo. Gagi. Sorry. Sabi ko, 7 na lang buhay ko, wala ba heal dyan?
Wala pa.
5.
I'm dead, boys. Huwag kayo kaagad papasok, mahirap.
Patay, gago. Sobrang sakit.
Uy, ipit ako.
Mahirap, wala akong ano.
Sabi ko sa inyo, huwag kayo kaagad papasok eh, mahirap eh.
Ina-overwhelm, pag na-overwhelm, umay. Pag wala magandang baril.
Oo.
Ubus.
Noong takbo ko ng takbo sa Axel, di lagi hintay. Nag-i-spawn tuloy yung kalaban sa likod. Try.
Retry, hintay.
Borday.
Sige, antay. Si Adi kasi ang bilis eh.
Sige. Wala sa dadaan eh.
A lot of things. Terry, how often do we have to feed these? Oh, jeez, he's hideous.
Huwag nyo kaagad
Oh,
gamitin
keep
heal niya,
forgetting all you
mahirap.
humans have 2 eyes. Gross. Anyway, welcome aboard the Speaker, my personal capital ship. You've survived quite the adventure, but check out these cute nurses. Totally worth it, am I right? Steve wanted me to check
Wait
something
lang.
with you. He said it was super duper urgent. So
Sige lang.
dramatic. Now, when you teleported off the planet and I told you to set a timed fuse to destroy the teleporter before you left, you did set a timed fuse to destroy the teleporter, right? What do you mean I didn't tell you that? You must be suffering from memory loss because I definitely... Uh-oh. Hey, Steve? You know that really unlikely hypothetical scenario we talked about? You know,
Why
where
do you
you
keep
said if they left the
calling
teleporter
Steve,
on
you
down there,
fucking
that the
gay-ass
Grammarians
bitch?
could possibly wander on board and start spreading chaos throughout the entire ship?
Gay motherfucker.
Steve?
Attention. Red alert. All security teams report to your stations. Red alert.
Let's get to the bridge. You've got a gun, right? Right, I'll stick with you. Sorta.
Gay ass bitch.
Huwag kaagad pa rin.
May na, pre. Na-rescan.
Ito, healing. Ito, healing oh.
Meron ako yung isa eh.
Hindi ko makuha eh. Yung akin. Paano pa palitan yung trip mine?
Hey, over here.
Wala na yun,
See
yan na
this
talaga yan.
map?
Libre nga yan, kung
Look at
tutusin.
it, don't look at me.
Hindi siya kumuha ng...
We're on this end of the ship, and we need to get way over to that end of the ship. I'll be right with you the whole time. In spirit, of course.
Nandiyan ka na di.
Wala pa. Oops.
Makikipagbarilan sila dito di oh.
Kaya nga eh. Garo naman yan, di pa ako nakalabas eh.
Ay gago, may kalaban sa likod. Shit.
Ayun.
Hello. Uy,
Hindi na sila pre.
Nakagad kami Carl.
Nag-spawn ko sa...
alam ko na kung paano.
Yung
Babasagin mo yung muna yung ano nila. Yung kuko.
Hindi. Pag naka-ano sila, parang naka-armor, naka-hat. Barilin mo sa likod.
Yung ano doon, no? Railgun.
Move.
Ano nag-overheat?
Pwede kayo magtulak ah.
Ayun nga.
Bullshit yung ano.
Ingat ka dyan, Carl.
Bagay, may pinyang pre.
Dami dyan, maharang.
Reload. Uy! Masagin yung ano. Masagin yung pa. Tara.
Hindi kita pwede saksakin o ano? Healing?
Try ko.
Sorry ko. May ano? May pea shooter.
Sino kailangan ng healing? Ilang buhay mo, Carl? Carl, ikaw muna, Carl. Kalahati. Lagpas kalahati.
Holy shit, may mayroon sa likod.
Holy shit. Napagitnaan ako pa.
Lagi.
Healing, Carl.
Wait lang.
Oh!
Kailangan dito shotgun.
Skip kasi.
Shotgun o di kaya ano.
Yung apoy.
Flamethrower.
Meron pa sa likod ang dami eh.
Dami din sa harap eh.
Tigas oh. Aray mo gago, naipit na tayo sa gitnaan. Sandwich.
Patay si Adi.
Tikal ka mo, nauna na dun. Kaya natin siya mga bol.
Patulak ako eh.
Ganun.
Kaya nga, kailangan ka namin mga bullet lang. Dito ka Sel, tulungan natin si Carl. Nalalugin na siya dito.
Likod nga ako din yun. Ha?
Tinulak ako ng tinulak ng mga lintik. Naganapunta ako sa gilid.
Pa? Ah. Papa.
Okay, hang
Bago
out
mag-heal
here
muna
and
kayo,
I'll
pre.
jump into the room and find a button for the door.
Boom. Ito, nag-overheat ako. What the hell?
Hindi na ba pumasok?
Change.
May ano, tito tayo sa malayo.
Paray ko may pea shooter.
Door's been open.
Gagawin sa loy.
You're welcome.
Tara.
Now let's move.
Umipit tayo ah.
Pin lang. Gago, ipit nga.
Sa likod may mga pea shooter doon sa pinanggalingan natin. Gabi.
Dito. Sundan nyo ako. Oh,
Attention. All
namatay ka?
Sector 2.
Oh.
Heavy weaponry advised.
Hindi ko alam kung saan dadaan. Shit.
Re-revive kita, Carl.
Grabe. Overwhelming.
Who the fuck are these guys? Help me out here.
I'm helping you, brother. Progress kayo para kayo maano. Progress.
Saan ba tayo? Nandito ba?
May healing sana dito sa likod. Oh.
Move door, move door. May bomba dito, pasabugin natin para makatras tayo.
Yung gagawin meron sa likod. Sa harapan. Gago, naipit ako. Sa hagdanan. Gago, naipit ako sa hagdanan.
Gago, binaring ni Ate yung pompa.
Hindi ako yun.
Ako yun, ha?
Ba't hindi mo kinuha di yung flamethrower ni Carl?
Balik ako ba?
Wag na, wag na. Layo na.
Ito naman.
Ay, gagawin ka.
Diyan naman na sila nag-spawn. Balik ako ah.
Sige, sige, sige.
Ang bagal ko tumakbo. Nag-spawn din sila dito.
Makukuha mo ba?
Ano naman tayo? I did. I got it.
Mausok.
Kagulan yun na sa akin. Sige na. I will keep up, bro. Bakit nagpupula pala sa screen ko?
Mausok. Dahil sa apoy. Oo, wait lang kasi.
Oh my god. I'm dying, bro.
Hope the insurance was up to date on the speaker. I wonder if they'd be okay with us returning
Progress,
10%
progress.
of the ship?
Huwag
Keep
magstay
going,
sa isang
humans.
lugar.
You've got to find
Lugi tayo
Steve.
niyan.
There's high
He's on
ground.
the
Gotta
bridge
keep
and should
going,
know
bro.
what to do. After all, that's what we pay him for.
Hindi, labas tayo sa high ground.
Yung ano, pea shooter.
May healing dito.
Saan tayo?
Dito, may healing nga di, oh.
Oh, ito lang. Dip niyo ako.
Saan ka ba?
Oo, sige.
Likod.
Dito ako. Wala na, naubos na buhay ko.
Akit.
Healing nga di.
Wait, may ibon. Healing saan?
In-over ko pa yung buong lugar. Ito, oh.
Oh,
Ano pati akala ko kinuha mo. Thanks. Now to return the favor.
akit na tayo eh.
Carl. Hoy, Adi, akyat dito.
Yung tinutusta ko lang sila.
Kaya mo na yung likod. Matatanggalan tayo dyan, eh.
Oh, ano yun?
Nasusunog din ba kayo?
Oh,
Hi.
ano mo, dito ba?
Holy shit, this place is intense as fuck. Ay, may baril.
So, andun, flamethrower ko.
Nice.
Okay, umarap sa akin.
May healing dyan, guard. Akin muna yung healing dyan.
Sige.
Sige.
Sa kabila.
Ito, dito door. Ah, ano ko? Meron, sa likod.
Oh.
Gagi, sorry.
Okay,
Naka ba?
GG. Sibat.
Ito.
Tara, pasok.
Carl, may iwan ka dyan ah.
Sige. Ganda pag naro.
Ito na. Ano na, wala nang usok.
Pasok dito, di.
Saan? Pasok. Kasama mo ako, wala ko. Gagi.
Hey, Steve. That weird thing is still on board. No, not the Cromarians, the other thing. Yeah. Uh-huh. The one that
Eto,
got in the
healing.
break room
Is
refrigerator
he
last
gay?
week.
Why he keep
Yeah,
calling
that one.
Steve?
Well, just try to make sure it doesn't come with us. Keep the bridge quantum sealed until we get there.
Eto, healing. Sino
Sige,
kailangan ng
sige,
healing?
mamaya. Ayaw mo lang. Mawawala ba yan? Hindi naman natay.
Hindi.
Meron din dito sa dulo eh. Sige lang.
Yan nga.
Wala ba dyan? May baril dito pre oh. Flamethrower ata ito pre oh. Pre! Door.
Mas maganda
Oh.
mag flamethrower dito. Oh, shit.
Pre, flamethrower. Nasaan ka? Meron ka na ba? Huwag yan. Mamamatay tayo dyan. Balik kami. Dito. Sa likod mo,
Saan?
Dor. Yung nasa likod mo.
Saan ka ba?
Ito. Pasok ko dito sa loob. Nandun sa dulo. Shit, naiwan ako. Patay mo yun oh. Paglabas mo.
Gagi na daw ako.
Ito, heal ka na. Gagi, ang dami nila dito. Nagkakatamaan tayo sa apoy.
Uy,
Uy, ba't dito? Mali na pasukan nyo.
tanga na, gold
Dito
ako.
tayo. Oh. Aray ko, naipit ako. Sige, pasok diretso.
I'm right with you. Just a little safer. I literally have no defensive capabilities. Oh, these claw thingies? They're, vestigible. You know, mostly for pressing buttons. To be fair, I do have this deadly acid I can shoot out of my...
Oray ko.
Dobre, baka masunog ka.
Sige, ako bala sa likod mo. Likod.
Okay na yung upok,
Low na ako.
Sige, okay lang yan, Carl. May ano dito.
May malapit na cloning tank.
Uy,
Pwede ka pa amatay, Carl. I-re-revive ka
sayang
namin.
yung baril ko.
Gagi, naiipit.
Hindi ko
Kasi malapit ka lang naman.
Kaya abante.
Saan ba dadaan? Diyan? Sige, diretso. Sige, ako sa likod.
Sundan nyo ako.
Nakakainis to mga armored.
Uy!
Solid. Oh, binuguan.
Uy, gago, huwag mo ako sunugin pre. Dito. Pakakit dito
Nasaan ka
pre.
na?
Dahil mali yung tinuro. Sumunod daw sa kanya. Dead end pala yun.
Bogs lang, ginintay ko kayo.
Dor, pasok.
You died, bro?
Akit. Umakit ako.
Ano namang low HP ako eh.
Steve, shut that damn system off and get this door open. We're running out of time.
Ginamit ko
Ayun,
muna
sakto, Mary.
You
Wala
may
naman
want to
yung
grab one of
gamit
those
ko, naka-rail gun
oxygen
ako,
tanks.
tsaka
There's no telling how
flamethrower.
long you'll have to hold your breath.
Taray mo.
Sabi ko sa'yo, patay ka na dun kaagad sa baba eh.
Oxygen daw pre.
Hindi na ako mamamatay agad.
Mamatay ka dun, masakit sila eh. Tapos pwede ka namin
Ulit ka
Steve,
kamo,
we've
kinorder
made it
mo
to the
lang ako.
airlock. Just a quick trip across the outside of the ship and we'll be
Tagal
in
ko
the
Failing
bridge
nakatayo
sector.
dun, di ako namatay.
Alright.
Whoa,
Make sure you hold your
calm
air
down.
bladders closed, or whatever it is you do. I'll meet you on the other side.
Uy, gagi.
Galaw di, galaw!
Sige lang.
Oh,
Tar. Makaubusan tayo ng oxygen dito pre. Diretso tayo.
Kaya nga sabi ko sa'yo, galaw kayo.
Oh my god, this place is disgusting.
Whew, what a rush. You guys sure know how to fight the good fight. Steve, we're on our way. Seal everything behind us, prepare the bridge for emergency separation, and start spooling up for warp.
Oh my god.
Ba't pumutok yung ano natin? Tower.
Hindi ko alam. Sana. Ano gagawin natin dito? Mamatay tayo dito? Fucking Steve.
Ano yung banda?
Sa likod lang. Gago, boy. Gago ka masyado talon-talon.
Ay na, bukas na.
Well,
Hold
look
your
who's been
ground.
sitting on his butt this whole time. Steve, meet the cleanup crew. Cleanup, meet the intelligence guy. Looks like we're ready for warp. Disengage the bridge from the rest of the ship.
Ito si Steve, what the fuck?
This guy is fucking disgusting. Both of them are fucking disgusting.
Ito po may ano dito, alien.
Let's get the heck out of here. Warp us anywhere but here. Steve, engage! Looks like we're not going anywhere after this jump. The bridge only had enough plot fuel for a single warp. Hopefully we end up within linking distance of a galactic beacon. At any rate, it'll be nice to get away from all those bugs. Say, Steve, where'd we end up warping to anyhow?
Jupiter.
Really? This is the place. You had the entire universe to jump to, and this is the point at which you took us? You chose to take us to, oh, I don't know, the damn planet? When I said take us anywhere but here, I didn't mean this was an option.
You're
God
gay,
damn
bro.
it, Steve.
You're fucking gay.
Napunta tayo sa, ano,
What's that giant red blob moving towards us?
Tangina, you're gay, bro.
Steve, you know, you always do this. Oh no, let's not go into that cave. Oh no, don't
Ay,
bring up
nababawasan
that
ka pa rin?
generator.
Meteoro.
Oh no, we're all going to be
Meteoro.
eaten by Glicknox. God, if I didn't like your style, I would have had you reassigned years ago. Whoa!
Patay tayo dyan.
Oh! Hold on, everyone! Steve,
Ay, nabading ka kasi.
hold me.
Mukha kang Steve eh. Buka na lang Steve eh. Bading kang putang ina kay. Kainis ka.
napunta tuloy tayo sa planeta ng
Oh, what is this gay ass planet?
Intergalactic Eye.
Magana tayo dito, Doom Slaying. Let's go. Let's fucking go. We're gonna go Doom Slaying. We're gonna pull a Doom Slayer on this one. Let's fucking delete them. Ay, hindi ba siya kasama dun?
God damn it, Steve.
Kadiri. Kubit eh.
damage skill.
Skitty boop, skitty boop, skitty boop. Every
Tignan
time
yung
I see you. Bading ka kasi. Wala na, balik na naman yung mga gamit. Oh my god. Whoa. Okay, we're back at fucking gay ass gay. Bitch ass
Oh
gay.
good, you're awake.
Shut
you
up.
humans sure sleep a lot. And at the most
May health
inconvenient
dito.
times. Steve and I are going to stay
Hindi ko
up here
pwede
and try to
kunin
get
yun eh.
some of the salvageable ship systems up
Eh,
and
tapo mo
running.
yung ano.
And
Okay lang,
maybe
huwag ka.
find a sandwich or something. Just go exploring down that path and watch out for bugs.
May VIP. Naka-VIP ka, Carl?
We're definitely awake
alam eh.
and know we're here.
Nakalagay sa'yo.
I'll
Baby
radio
ka.
you some instructions when we get a better lay of the land.
Yung
Oo,
may
ano,
dala-dala
mga
ka sa likod mo.
Bumili si Carl, maduga. Ay, ang dami ka agad.
Pay to win. Pay to win si Carl. Holy shit, wala pa kang baril na maayos. Gago, Dur, mama. Dur, diretso ba tayo? Onwards?
Oo.
Pre, onwards, pre.
Ito yung sinasabi ng gamer instinct.
Gago, dami na input mo.
Reckless ano ka mo yan,
Hey,
reckless
cleanup crew,
choices.
you may notice one of you sorta has a nuke strapped to their back. Yeah, we sorta glued it on. We can't risk another research sample incident. Red.
Sa gilid-gilid, pre.
Can't remember who we put that nuke on because I don't see colors the way you do.
Talon-talon.
But the important
Get the
bit
fuck
here
out of
is
here.
you
Gago, tungo.
cannot
Tabi.
remove it.
Holy
If you
shit.
get killed while carrying that thing, well, that's it.
Pag namatay ako, patay tayo lahat. Nasa akin yung nook.
Got it? If the team member with the nuke dies, you're all done for. Better treat
Oh,
them
Kaya nga
nice and
yung
watch their
kalaban
back.
eh.
Iniwan nyo ako
Yo.
kanina. Betlog ka.
Ako sa likod kayo sa harapan.
That means toss me a sandwich. God, you're so uncool.
Nasa likod mo, pre. Keep going, never stop. Wala bang baril dyan? Oh my god, we're gonna die here.
Keep, move forward. Ay, baba. Sa ngayon. Kaya dyan.
Okay. We know exactly where we are now. I've
Diyan ba,
got some
Carl?
good news
Carl, doon kay Carl.
Kagi.
and some bad news. Good news is, we're alive. And Steve found some provolone in the mini fridge.
Ang ina mo, stop calling Steve, you fucking gay.
The speaker sort of crashed into one of the largest
Uy.
Crumarian bone worlds after being knocked out of the sky by some kind of Crumarian defensive hive. But let's focus on the good. That is delicious. Steve, grab me another one of those.
Ay, parang tinatry nila kung ano. Tinatry nila maging like Steve.
Kali doon. Sinulan doon.
Kinuha ko lang yung hit.
Tay, naipit ako.
Patay si Paddy.
Naipit ako doon.
Hanap ako ng revival.
Meron doon, Carl ah. Malapit. Sabay hit.
Meron nga doon sa dulo eh. Hindi
Kupal
kami
ka.
diretso na kayo, baka maipit kayo. Diretso na lang, baka maipit kayo.
Uy.
Hindi ko magamit yung syringe ko, hindi ko alam bakit. Bulok.
Talaga. Sige, Carl. Binabawasan ko.
Oh, tahimik na.
Ayun.
Ito may
Yeah.
hit.
Kaya pala VIP kasi nasa akin yung bomba.
Looks like the outpost is just ahead. They actually filmed a movie here once. Pretty good if I'm remembering right. I mean, the director did get eaten halfway through production, and both of the leading actors, but the character development was really, really solid. Steve cried at
Ano
the
yun
end.
naman, Steve na naman. Parang nakakainis na, nakakairita.
The movie was about the human.
Parang tinatry nila maging likeable si Steve, pero
Steve thinks he's a film
di ba ulit-ulit na ganyan, parang nakakaano lang. Annoying.
Habol kay Carl. Oh.
Ayun na.
Ano?
Just a reminder. Don't
Nice.
forget to keep whomever is
Puta,
carrying the
inabawal
nuke
Ano
mag-
eh, paano may lalagay yan? Ito, may healing na dito, pre.
This little accident has put us in a very unique position to do some real good.
Naharang ako ng mga humahabol sa...
Some real bad for the Crumarian Planetary Network. Don't worry, it'll make sense later. Just trust me on this.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, ang dami sa akin ba? Puta na po.
Run to
Talon
the
din.
river.
Barilin niyo yung tanke oh.
Boom, makulit.
Are you down the mountain yet? And more importantly, how's the nuke? You'll need to look for an open gate or maybe climb over the wall somehow. Humans
fuck?
can definitely climb. I've seen those little weird bone nubs you have. Just remember, we don't have all day. And there's only like
Saan
3
kayo?
sandwiches left up here.
Sa likod.
And there's no way I'm eating that one with all the ketchup.
Tulak-tulak ko sila eh.
Of course you would, Steve.
Okay, keep going.
So disgusting.
Walang daan dito.
What the fuck do you mean? Where should we go? Oh, yung pocket ah.
Ito pa, akyat. Mahulog kayo.
Oh, those poor settlers. No, seriously. They were super poor. Well, until the touring industry kicked off. And
Saan
then the
ka?
Cremarians showed
Uy,
up.
laki oh.
Yeesh. Not a
Malaking
good way to
bulate
go.
dun.
Magkano na ito?
Keep looking for
Hihiling
that
dito, pre.
communications array. If it's not broken, it should just turn right on when you hit a big button. And, Steve says don't go licking anything. I know you humans like to...
Hihiling ah.
Sige lang.
Shotgun.
Sige, sige,
Lahat ng
sige.
baril nandito.
Nasaan ka?
May heal din oh.
Ito, oh. Ang gusto ko.
What,
Itong
what,
auto
what?
shotting gusto ko.
Naka ano,
Shotty.
LMG ako tsaka ano.
Ako na nga,
Ano?
assault rifle tsaka auto shotty.
Ay, kago dito lahat.
Dito nga. Tingin ko boss fight to.
Ayan.
Walang
Shotty na lang.
flamethrower.
Wala ko eh. Pogi siguro.
Mag-rocket launcher ba ako? Sige.
Sige, rocket launcher ka pero wag lang. I-start ko na to.
Ano daw? Let's see.
Gago, Carl. Tignan mo dito, Carl.
Yun yung
Di,
sabi ko nga,
di.
may bulati nga na malaki.
Hindi lang isa.
Ayun nga.
Wait. Yok! Ano yan?
Ah, ito pala.
Pinindot ni Carl. Siya.
Tama naman.
Oh,
Oo nga, pinindot nga.
Excellent. We're already getting a mild signal from that array. Steve's going to remotely angle it
Taktin
from here.
naman to, nakain pa
Hang
na
tight while we get in touch with the big guy upstairs, if you know what I mean. And don't forget about that nuke. Defend it with your lives.
may nasa baba pre.
Boom!
Uy, gago, may boom. Tangin na, Carl. Ikaw pala yun. Lumipad ako.
Boom! Boom! Oh, shit. Uy, luwa ko. Wait lang, luwa ko.
Daw si Carl, bobo ka.
Pangit ng grenade launcher.
Thank you.
Saan pa?
Ano yun?
Meron dyan, Carl?
Meron na sa likod.
Meron sa akin.
Gago, meron pala dyan.
Nakapasok na sila.
Palikod na nag-i-spawn.
Dito.
Tanggal armor mo.
Ang bigat ng LMG, sobra. Ang alog.
Bigot niya. Buhay pa. Wag.
Buhay pa pala yun. Kala ko patay na.
Wala ko rin. Parang pangit ng railgun eh.
Ang pangit nga. Paltek lang, no? Isang bala lang. Kaya nga auto shotty ako eh. Ano? Patay! Tignan mo di. Tignan mo
Tapos pa yung pag
gagawin ko.
nakapatay eh. No? Nagkakalas-kalas pag nawawalit mo.
Uy, nasit ako dun ah. Boom. Solido yung auto shot eh. Boom. Talsik.
Meron na naman sa likod, pre.
May ano dito oh.
Well, I never thought it was going to get this bad. We're all out of sandwiches.
The fuck?
How's our little nuke carrier? Keep it up, champ. It's just about time to use that thing. We've called in rescue from the top dog himself. This is a
Man,
big
shut the
day for
fuck
you
up.
guys.
We've been doing
It's an
everything.
important mission. The
Wag na-
CEO
malamang,
will
dalawa lang
decide
kayo.
this whole
Nakakainis
thing
ng
personally,
alien na yun.
but we need to
Nababattery
clear
ko.
the airspace first. Or rather, higher than
Ay,
that.
nagbukas na pala yung nasa ano. Nagbukas na yung sa likod niya, pre, dito.
Ayan.
Don't worry, I've
Tara,
got
tara,
your
tara.
back.
Sabi.
Not sure about Steve.
Ay, na naman, Steve na naman. Shut the fuck up.
Kind of self-centered.
Ikaw, kamo. Paulit-ulit ka na lang. Bading ka na.
Kay Carl, una ka Carl.
Hanggang
Carl,
bahala.
kunin mo. Nakahawak lang
Ano, may ano? Huwag naman na talaga literal. Baka masayang.
Box lang. Anong masasayang? Sige,
Pwede
bata.
kang heal mo. Sige, bantayan kita.
Dapat kinuha na ni Carl.
Okay yan.
Sayang yan kasi maiiwan na yan eh. Di mo naman pwedeng balikan yan. Ayun.
Ay,
Ah,
gusto
di
ka
mo-
lang. Sensya ka na, dumadaan ka eh. Ikaw yung mauna sa harap, ako na dito.
Yeah.
There she is. Gorgeous, huh? Sure, she shot us down, but it really is a work of art, you know? I know your tiny human brains can't conceptualize concepts like beauty. But,
Beauty.
Kinda glad we didn't waste these sandwiches on them, eh, Steve? That's why you're my
Steve
number
na
one.
naman.
You still appreciate a good lunch.
Huwag mo na lang kasi pansinin.
Meet ko yun. Mamaya.
Si
Buti
Carl,
walang ano. Ano to? Small fall damage.
Wala talaga yan. Nasa
Saan tayo? Diretso tayo doon.
This whole thing
Siguro.
is on top of that
Gago,
mining
ba't ka kagad
complex. So here's the plan.
Tara na,
We're
diretso
going
na,
to
doon eh.
walk right down into the hive.
this fucking
That'll
shit
be the
talaga.
easy part. And then we're gonna nuke her from the inside out. Then we have to, you know, run back out. Really, really fast. Hopefully you took track.
Uy, ipit na ako. Patay na ako.
And
Oh!
Sabi
Gagi
kasi
na
wag
kasi!
video eh. Tangin na ni. Sinabihan ni.
Babagal
Sinabihan
na
rin
nga
nag... Sinabihan ka nga rin mag... ka nag-heal.
Takto yung magili. Nasa harapan na ako.
Kami na nga, yung tatlo tayo. Pinag-heal kita doon. Ayaw mo.
Nauna na ako eh. Bagal-bagal na ito.
Bulbul ka talaga eh. Ang layo na natin eh.
Hindi naman kailangan ng heal. Mongol eh.
Eto.
Tatakbo na agad.
You
Bomba.
humans sure sleep a lot.
Saan mo nakalagay?
And
Oh,
at
sige.
the most
Ay,
inconvenient
random?
times. Steve and I are going to
Oh,
stay up
random.
here and try to get some of the salvageable ship systems up and running. And maybe find a sandwich or something.
Buti walang kalabot.
hey, how's that sandwich coming?
Ito pala dapat
Hey,
ginawa natin
cleanup
kanina.
crew, you may notice one of you sorta
Ano
has a
sabi
nuke
mo?
strapped to their back. Yeah, we sorta glued it
Ganito
on.
ginawa
We
ko
can't
kanina,
risk another
nirush ko
research
lang.
sample.
Wow!
Red.
Ayaw nyo kasi mag-rush eh.
Can't remember who we put that nuke on because I don't see colors the way you do. But the important
Ah,
thing
di
here
likod
is that
ko!
you cannot
Ang harang.
move it. And if
Sige.
you get killed while carrying that thing, well, that's it. Game over, man.
Eh, ito.
Got it. If the team member with the nuke dies, you're all done for. Better treat them real nice
Uy, yun
and
na ba
watch
ito?
their back.
Iniipit ako. Oh,
Steve?
nakakupal.
Gago, wala ka nang galaw dyan, Carl.
That means toss me a sandwich. God, you're so
Sunod
uncool.
ko. Pang, pang, pang.
Ba't mo ko binabaril?
Badin niya.
Okay.
Parang yung mino.
We know exactly where we are now. I've got some good news
Ayan o. May malaking garapata.
and some bad news.
Tumalon din ito.
Good news is
Oh,
we're
yan.
alive,
Nag-glide.
and Steve found some provolone in the mini bridge.
Eh, bomba.
Bad news, the speaker sort of crashed into one of the
Kog
largest
siya, di ba
Crumerian
siya
bone
dumana
worlds.
di?
Ay, gago, bakit? Doon nga pala, dito pala ako natrap kanina. Fuck.
Crumerian defensive hive.
Nah, man.
Focus on the good.
Then, it's part of the plan. It's part of the plan.
Hmm,
Nalito sila.
that's
Nalito sila.
delicious. Steve?
To confuse you, the enemy, you must confuse your teammates.
What the fuck? Pwede sabi mo.
Ganun yun, ganun yun.
Vlog
Sila nandito.
po yan.
Saan sila nandito sa akin? Sa inyo, wala, di ba? Wala masyado.
Ang
Kasi
dami
wala
ba?
sa akin.
Wala. Dito nga.
Dito sa akin sa taas. Nag-glide kasi, takting mo, pag tumatalo.
Looks
Aray
like
ko.
the outpost is just ahead. They actually filmed a movie here once. Pretty good if I'm remembering right.
Naipit ako.
I mean, the director did get eaten halfway through production, and
Nakakainis tong
both the
spokesman.
leading actors,
Wala namang kwenta
but
yung
the
mga
character
palikas sabi.
development was really, really solid.
Natry nga nila ano yun. Dadaan nila sa ganyan para magustuhan mo yung...
What do you mean the movie was
Para maging memorable ba na character?
Steve thinks he's a
Yun
film
yung ano
critic
niya,
now.
yun yung trademark niya nakakainis.
Oo.
Self-centered perception siya.
Maging... Haha, quirky, he's so funny, hahaha. Pero naging annoying na kasi paulit-ulit ng
Don't
sobra.
forget to keep whomever
Sobrang.
is
Oh, hindi.
carrying the nuke very, very safe. We're gonna need it. This little accident has put us in a very
Nandiyan na kayo sa
unique
weapons?
position to do some real
Medyo.
good for the
Wala pa,
colony
wala.
and some real
Heal
bad
dito,
for
Al,
the
heal,
very
may heal
planetary
dyan.
network. Don't worry, it'll make sense later. Just trust me on this.
Bibilis lang siya talaga.
Wow, 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 wow.
Sige, sa likod mo lang ako. Malapit na. Kaliwa, ay kanan, kanan.
Are you down the mountain yet? And more importantly, how's the nuke? You'll need to look for an open gate or maybe climb over the wall somehow. Humans can definitely climb. I've seen those little weird bone nubs you have. Just remember, we don't have all day. And there's only like 3 sandwiches left up here. And there's no way I'm eating that one with all the ketchup.
Yung pala yung
Of course
VIP.
you would.
May dala kang bomba.
But disgusting. Oh, those poor settlers. No, seriously. They were super poor. Well, until the touring industry kicked off. And then the Crumerians showed up. Yeesh. Not a good way to go. Keep looking for that communications array. If it's not broken, it should just turn right on when you hit a big button. And,
Oh, so wala ako sa
Steve
inyo.
says don't go licking anything. I know you
Huwag niyo muna
humans
kunin yung
like
mga
to do
heal
that.
para balik na lang mamaya. Saan yung auto shotgun?
Kinuha ko na yung auto shotty. Dalawa lang yan ah.
Sige na. LMG.
Start ko na to.
Sige.
Ay, wala na shotgun na isa. Wait lang. Mag-rocket launcher ako na isa.
Wag ka mag-rocket launcher ah.
Shut up.
Madadamage ka.
Oh, I don't care. Let's go.
Ay, maniwala ni Kupal talaga.
Yes.
Oh. Start ko na
Wala
to.
shotgun eh. Tara, start na yan.
Ito lang yung shotgun eh. Oh.
Diyan?
Ayaw adi ng normal shotgun.
Hindi na, okay na yan.
Excellent.
Box lag may normal
We're
shotgun
already
doon.
getting a mild signal from that.
Wala ako nakita.
Kinuha ko.
Steve's going to remotely
Putang ina,
angle it
kaya
Watch,
pala
watch,
dalawang
watch.
shotgun.
Watch me clutch,
the big
bitch.
guy upstairs, if you know what I mean.
Dalawa, siya lang
And
shotgun
don't
ko.
forget about that nuke. Defend it with
Dalawang
Watch me
dalawang
clutch,
shotgun ni Cardo.
Saan? Hindi naman kita.
Ha? Antibiotic mo. Tayo mag-ilaw dyan sa tindahan.
Oh my god. This thing is
Kailangan
fucking
eh.
ridiculous.
Hoy! Yan. Oo. Tayo mag-ilaw dyan.
Sabi mo,
Tayo mo ang ingay ng pindot mo.
hindi yan mapapatahimik.
Ano yun?
Papak Adi.
What? May alien eh.
Pinarin tayo ni Adi.
Nagulat ako. Bumaba ng kalahati yung buhay ko bigla. Heal muna.
Sinabihan na kasi wag na mag-ano.
Side win.
Dude, bro. This dude, walang kill.
Boo! So satisfying.
Walang fucking kill, bro.
Yung dyan sa gilid.
Ito.
Yung box.
Sama namin black to tayo sa ano.
Pwede ka, kahit hindi nga mag-one to.
Ba't siya inaisip yung iba na lang? Nauna pa nga kami ka-admit ko. Dapat oo. Dari. Oo, ang mura ka na yung balay sa pan. Tasan yung ano niya. Tasan. Hindi ko alam, baka hindi marunong ito. Walang boss. Layo.
May ano?
Ano ka magdahang di Axel?
Uy!
Bakit?
Susan sa kailangan. Doon ako. Kaya sa asawa niya.
Ulit.
What the fuck? Hindi.
Wala nang kailangan.
What?
Kakain ko lang, magkakalahati na naman yung buhay ko.
May ano.
Babae. Tasan sa lalamog.
I'm trying to be careful, bro. Come on.
Try to be careful. Ikaw nga lang bumabawas sa amin. Baliw eh.
Layo-layo muna. Layo-layo mo lang sa isa.
Gagi, tinatry ko kung lumayo eh. Boom! Pinasabog ko sarili ko. Wow. Oh my god. This is a bad idea.
Sinabihan ka na kanina
Nasan
pa.
healing? Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking die. Where?
I
Saan
never thought we would
pinatutuhan
get
pa?
this bad. We're all out of sandwiches.
Building?
Sa
How's that little
dingding.
nuke carrier? Keep it up, champ.
Sa entrance.
Dingding
It's
kasi.
time to use that thing.
Entrance?
We've called in rescue
Oh
from the
my
top
God.
dog himself.
Ayun eh.
Sa loob ng mga armories. Tapos
Sige.
tingin ka sa
Ano,
gilid mo.
bakit?
Puta.
on his
Diretso
way to
doon.
digest this whole thing personally, but we need to clear the airspace first.
Kaliwa ka. Wala dito sa
Or
loob ng armory.
rather,
Fuck.
higher than that. We need to clear the
Ang
space.
bulag mo naman.
Ay, ito. Oh, no.
Don't worry, I've got your back.
Kyle, kunin mo
Not
to.
sure
Healing.
about Steve, though. He's kind of self-centered.
No, baka hindi mo to kunin, Kyle.
Low na ako sobra eh.
Bones leg to pala eh. May healing pa ka mo sa harap niyan, Kyle. Tingin ka sa gilid mo. May healing
Dito
pa
kaya
dyan.
Dio.
Sige lang. Let me cook, bro.
I'll let you cook.
Uy! Goxy, nabawasan na naman tayo dito.
Ay, gagi.
Full HP.
Malayo na yun ah.
Bawa sa akin 25.
Oh my god.
So,
Kanina pa
Sorry.
sinabihan bitaw. Bakit launcher
There he
eh?
is.
putik
Gorgeous,
eh.
This thing is powerful, bro.
Sure,
May
she
ano, may
shot us
ano
down,
doon,
but
may
it
heal doon.
really is a work of art, you know.
Offline?
I know
Sa akin?
your tiny
Hindi,
human
meron doon
brains
sa
can't
gilid yung
conceptualize
healing
concepts
pack.
like beauty, but
Naman yun.
Si Kyle nga, dalawa
Wala yun eh.
shotgun mo.
don't waste these sandwiches, okay, Steve.
Palit-palit lang kada putok.
That's why you're my number one. You still appreciate a good
Mas
laugh.
mahina yung ano, mas mahina yung normal shotgun.
Kaysa sa auto shot no?
Dalawang shot minsan kapag yung shotgun lang. So,
Kapag auto shot is.
Oh, wala yun.
Ay, diyan ka sa taas.
Ano yun?
Pasabot. Dito tayo daan sa bato.
Wala kayo nakitang healing?
Diyan, wala.
Eh.
Revive lang.
Aray ko, tinulak ako.
Throw on top of that former mining complex.
Bro wants me dead.
Lumus na
You're
ako.
going to walk right down into the hive.
Kumalong ka?
That'll be the
Oh.
easy part.
Oo. Ano ako?
Then we're gonna nuke her
Oh.
from the inside out. Then you have to, you know, run back out
Dito lang ako sa likod mo.
really, really fast. Hopefully you took track and cross country. You're gonna need both of those skills. Keep that nuke safe.
Gago, kala ko namatay na yun. Nag-shield lang pala.
Dam shader. Dam shader.
Oo nga.
Tras. Dami. Wala to shotgun dun.
Yung auto shotgun.
Oh! Gogi ka ate!
Gago!
Swerte mo ka ng buhay ko! Sobrang ingat ko nga eh. Wala na, napakindi. Tapos puro ganito pa yung kalabang ko sa likod.
Putang ina niya!
Gilid ka, pakuha.
Ako na iwan. Holy shit. Gago dami! Armored! Sa harap, sa likod nyo.
Ayun
Ako
na.
naiiwan. Okay, keep running, keep running. Do not stop, do not stop.
Hindi naman kami
Don't you
natin.
ever stop.
Hindi naman kami nahinto eh.
Ganda. Ano to sa butas? What the fuck? Oh, check mo nga. Lumalabas sa
Signal's getting a
laman.
bit spotty. You must be pretty deep in there, huh?
Oh, healing oh.
Steve,
Kaya mo na.
Mamatay na kayo.
Ay, si Carlo,
look
si
for a
Carlo,
good
mamatay
place
si
to put
Carlo.
that nuke, and then run
Kupal
like
kasi si
hell.
Adi.
I hope you've been keeping
It's
up
part
with
of the
your
plan,
company's
bro.
mandated cardio.
Let me cook.
Thank you.
Wala nang iba? Isa lang yan?
Isa lang tapos pagkapasan ulit si Carl.
Mamay 75
Kupal.
na tumuhay ka.
Hindi naman, grabe ka naman.
Ano to?
Sa likod nyo, sa likod nyo, sa likod nyo, sa likod nyo, sa likod nyo.
Mamabaril
ko kayo
Lang. I'm calculating.
Wait lang, saan tayo dadaan? Saan ba yung saan ba? Saan ba tayo diretso?
Baba.
Dito
Tapos
tayo.
aakyat tayo.
Diretso.
Going, kids. Do not stop, kids. Gago, mas locking tayo kapag ganito, no? Kapag ganito, veteran ba to? Oh my god, stop hurting me! Bombayin ko kayo, putang ina nyo!
Basta malayo kami.
Of course.
My gamer sense is sensing something.
Dito ata tayo. Akit tayo dito.
Yun nga. Ibibigay natin tong ano.
Ano, may armored?
Tapos,
Yun.
Ang daming armored!
Dito, may bomba mo yan dito. May missile. May gas. Gilapag mo doon.
Nuclear device detected.
Malalay na tayo dito.
Clear blast radius.
Babalik tayo
nilapag
doon?
ko na yung
I'm going
place.
to assume you've done the nuke thing and really upset the hive because it is
Saan tayo dadaan?
exploding with crewmarium.
Ano,
I suggest
baka
Find
dito.
a good...
Very fast. About
There,
45
where
kilometers an hour should do it.
Basta takbo lang layo.
Ano ba sinabi niya? Hindi ko narinig.
Lumayo daw. Get out of the hive. Get out. Balik sa pinagsimulan natin kanina. Gago, sasabog na pre.
Wala pa.
Gago na gano'n. Tut, tut. Carl, papasabugin ko dyan. Takbo ko lang.
Nabulo na bawasan ng mga...
I may have miscalculated.
Actually,
You're probably
mamamatay.
going to need to run at about
Sige, kaya ko to.
100 per hour to escape that blast. Humans can do that, right? Oh. Maybe look for a vehicle.
Diba?
Some kind of
I'm becoming
flying
better with this
equipment or
weapon, bro.
a sled
Come on.
Or, you know, anything faster than your puny legs. It's gonna be your only chance to escape.
Sige, sige.
Where? Ah, ito. Door. Boom! Gago, no! Gago, ikaw lang, Carl!
Gagi ako lang.
Oo!
Oo, ikaw lang.
Ano hini mo agad?
Pumutok. Sakto.
Once everyone is on board, gagi.
Basta may isa.
Steve, don't try to move them. They've had a big day.
Siguro.
Oh, heads up. Looks like the boss is here already. Let's go. Beam us all on board now.
Pare-pareho ba tayo ng cutscene?
Please.
Oo.
Oo.
Nakahiga.
Bigla sumabog ako. Bigla tumalis si Kurt. Dumiretso.
Pabilis
Akala
ng
ko mission field eh.
pabilis ng
Kaya nga
pabilis.
I
nag-ult
think
din ako.
I've been on the Stargazer
Kaya nga.
since I was a larva. What a truly majestical ship.
Majestical.
There's Jubbereth, our great CEO. Great job taking out that nasty defensive hive, by the way.
What the fuck? CEO nila
You'll
yan.
definitely remember that.
Parang
Kakainin
siya din
yung-
yung karaban eh.
Kaya nga yun.
Yun nga eh.
Gulo.
Look at Jub go. One less Cremarian hive, I suppose.
Baka na to parang Civil War? Like, same species type shit?
Ano pa?
Well, I think this whole adventure's
Oh my
turned out
God.
rather well.
Disgusting.
Wouldn't you agree, Steve?
Shut the fuck up.
Steve na naman! Steve! I'm gonna fucking mute you.
Steve?
Tapos na yun.
Hanggang 4 lang.
Okay.
Tingnan ko kung may next pa.
Expansion na daw. DLC na daw yung next. What the fuck?
What the fuck? May alien sa labas.
Ang kulat niyan eh. Lintik na yan.
Ah, wala
Ano,
na
no?
nga.
Ah, meron.
Ah,
Ito, lobby.
Ay,
Wala.
lobby
Wala.
na. Aray mo.
Oh, okay na.
Grabe damage taken ni Carlo.
Ito may damage dealt ko, 26,000.
Siguro kalahati niya sa akin kaya di.
Bukan si Adi.
Damage taken 262 yung kay
Tignan mo, 212 yung damage ni Adi sa allies.
212. Kain na kain pala eh. Baka mukhang sa'yo nga
Oh,
na
shit.
galing lahat ng damage ko eh.
Sinabihan na
Ano to,
namin.
Uy, gago. Nung dulo naman, nagets ko